Chapter 8. More about Flash CS6.
Chapter Focus.
Way to open Flash. 2 types of gradient fill. Way to create motion tween animation. Way to create shape tween animation. Flash is an animation software package. In Flash, you can animate the objects. You can play the movies in any browser with the help of Flash. Advantages of Flash. It provides correlative graphics and animations for the web. It is used as drawing tool and movie editor. It gives several special effects to add in objects. It can be used easily with drag and drop user interface components. It is not based on browsers. File size of graphics in Flash are much smaller. To enhance an animation, you attach and work with sound files. It is used to draw and animate graphics such as online greeting cards and cartoons, etc. By using its animation capabilities, many games can be created in Flash. How to open Flash? 1. Click on Start button, go to All Programs, go to Adobe, go to Flash CS6 Professional. 2. Click on Flash File, ActionScript 3.0 class under Create New section to open the Flash document. Components of the Flash window. 1. The stage. The stage is a drawing board where you can create graphics, animations in it. By default, the stage size is of 550 by 450 pixels. Do you know? To change the size of stage, click on View, go to Zoom in or click on View and go to Zoom out. 2. Tools panel. It consists of various tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects. It is divided into 4 parts: Tools, View, Options, Colors. 3. Timeline. Timeline is a fixed rectangular window placed on the top of the stage. Timeline is used to control the documents in frames as well as in layers. 4. Frames. Frames allow us to animate the objects. 5. Layers. A layer contains its own timeline with endless frames. It lies on the left side of the frame. 6. Keyframes. Keyframe helps to define change to an object's properties. 7. Property Inspector. The Property Inspector appears on the right side of your Flash workspace by default. It is grouped with the Library panel. It displays properties and options for objects selected on the stage and also allows you to modify them. The object can be text, an image, a line, or any other shape. Through the above property window, we can set the property of document window. Steps to apply gradient fill in an object. Step 1. Select the object using the selection tool. Step 2. Click on Paint Bucket tool. Step 3. Click on Fill Color and then select any color from the color palette. Step 4. Click on Gradient Effect and click on the object. Gradient fill has 2 types. 1. Linear, 2. Radial. Steps to use the above-mentioned types are given below. Step 1. Select the object using the selection tool. Step 2. Click Window, go to Color to display Color Mixer panel. Step 3. Click on Fill Style box, go to Select Linear or Radial from drop-down box. Step 4. Then click on the object. Do you know? Just double-click on the object, then select both Fill and Stroke. Steps to rotate an object. Step 1. Select the object. Step 2. Click on Modify, go to Transform, go to Rotate and Skew. Step 3. Corner handle appears on the object. Step 4. Click on these handles to change the pointer in Rotation handle. Step 5. Drag a corner handle to rotate the object. Step 6. Then click outside of selected object to exit from transformation. Steps for copying and moving the object. Step 1. Select the object. Step 2. Click on Edit, go to copy an object. Then click on Edit, go to Paste or click and drag the object to a new location to move an object. Animation. Animation means a drawing made and compiled in such a manner that it shows movement. Several drawings are connected with one another through a loop. This creates an illusion of movement. Animation in Flash can be done as follows. Creating a motion tween animation. Motion tweening is used for creating a moving effect in a movie in which an object moves from one position to another. The action is specified only on the first and the last keyframes of the path traveled. Flash automatically does the job in the frames between these 2 points. Motion tween does not make any change of shape of the object. Follow the steps given below to create a motion tween animation. Step 1. Draw an object, say a rectangle. Step 2. Right-click on the frame where you want the rectangle to move and click on Insert Keyframe. Step 3. Click on the first frame. Go to the Property Inspector and click on the drop-down arrow of Tween. Select Motion. An arrow appears between the first and the tween motion last frame of motion on the timeline panel. Step 4. Select the inserted keyframe. Step 5. Drag the rectangle to your desired position on the screen. The animation can be viewed by clicking on Control menu, Test Movies. You can see the rectangle moving from left to right on the screen. Creating a shape tween animation. Shape tween means that an object changes its shape into another shape over a period. Follow the steps given below to create a shape tween animation. Step 1. Click on Frame 1 to select and draw an object. Step 2. Select the last frame. For example, you can select 40 and insert a keyframe by pressing F6. Step 3. With last frame still selected, draw any other object. Step 4. Select any frame in between. From the Property Inspector, click on the drop-down arrow of Tween and select Shape. Observe the change in the layer. To play the animation, select Frame 1. Click on Control and select Play. Commands on layers. 1. Selecting a layer. To make a layer active, you either select the layer in the timeline or select a stage object in the layer. 2. Renaming a layer. Click the layer which you want to rename. Right-click on the name, go to Select Properties option from the context menu. Type the new name. 3. Adding a layer. Click on Insert Layer button or click Insert, go to Timeline, go to Layer. 4. Show and hide layers. Click on Eye icon above the layers. A red cross symbol appears in the Eye column. Again click on red cross symbol to show the layer on the stage. 5. Lock a layer. Click any layer to make it active. In the timeline, click the black dot. A lock icon appears indicating the layer is now locked. Now, using Selection tool, you will not be able to drag any object. 6. Mask layer. Mask layer is used to create spotlight effect on the text. It provides a hole through which we see the contents of a layer. Points to remember. Flash is an animation software package. Frames are used to animate the object. Linear and radial are 2 types of gradient fill. The stage is a drawing board. We can animate the objects in the tweened animation. Layers take hold of the objects. The active layer is highlighted in the timeline. A. Tick the correct